Hello, good evening. Good evening, Moon. Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello.
Oh, hello there. Hello, Moon. Good evening and welcome again to our class. How are you today? Are you happy
I,
today?
yep.
Yes, I'm happy. I'm, wow, so
I
cute.
happy.
Very good. I'm happy. Very good. So, did you already eat your dinner? Did you already eat?
I eating tomato.
Oh, tomato again? You eat tomato again?
Eating. I eating. I I can eating the. I eating.
What are you eating?
I I eating. I eating. Eating, eating
What are you eating?
breakfast.
Fruits?
I think I eating fish.
Oh,
Yum yum.
peas. Wow, yum. That's very delicious. So do you like a
Eating
veg?
rice and fish.
Oh, rice and fish? Rice and fish? Wow, that's very delicious. Good job. Good job that you are eating vegetables. Is tomato your favorite, Moon?
It is a rain.
It's the rain. Wow, very good. Yes, very good. This is the rain. Do you like the rain, Moon?
No,
No, I don't like. Why? Why don't you like the rain? Why don't
I
you
like
like?
sunny.
Oh, okay, very good. So, teacher likes Sunny too because we can do a lot of things. Oh, what is that? What shape is that, Moon? It's the what shape is that? It's the what shape is that? Can you tell teacher what shape is that? Is it square or rectangle?
Question.
Okay, very good. So,
Square.
how is it square? How about this one? Is it also square? No. It's rectangle. Wow, you are drawing a lot of rectangles. Okay, so now let's start our lesson. So let's take a look at the picture. What is this? What
Oh
is this
no.
place? Oh no. What is this
Oh no.
place? What
Oh,
is Oh, what is that place? Is it the park? Is it the park, Moon? Yes or no? No, it's not.
oh.
What
It's
is it?
not
What place is this? We call it as the beach.
as a beach.
Okay, very good. Now, can you tell teacher what are the things that you can see in the beach in the picture? What can you see? Hmm, what can you see? What can you see in the picture? I can
It's not.
see what
I can
is
see the beach.
okay, very good. It's the beach. And what are the things that you can see?
I
What
don't
are
see.
Oh, you
I don't
cannot
see
see.
the beach.
Oh, you didn't see the beach? Okay, let me remove this one. Okay, can you see the beach now?
Teacher,
Huh?
teacher,
It's the
I will. I was a pencil.
Oh, pencil.
I don't.
Where is the pencil? Oh, oh, wow. Your pencil is color pink? Can I see? Wow, that's so cute.
Teacher, have a pencil.
Yes, I have a
Pencil.
pencil. Look at my pencil. Ta-da!
Oh, teacher, that's not pencil. This is pencil.
This is my pencil for my what do you call that? For my tablet.
Oh,
This yes, this is a pencil for this. Ting. We cannot see. This is the pencil for my. Then look, moon, moon. Oh, wow! This is a
yeah.
pencil. We cannot see.
This,
Then
this
this is
is book.
wow book. This is a pencil for my tablet.
Hmm.
Ting.
I can the kid and the hay.
Wow! Wow! What kind of book is that? Is that your favorite book? Is that
Book,
your
big kiss.
wow? Do you like that book?
This way, big kiss.
Oh, can I see that one? Is it about princess?
We can play as the frog today.
Very good. What animal is that?
Is who
Who? What animal is that? It's the
is the
dog.
is
Okay,
the
it's the what animal? Hmm. Okay. Hmm. Okay, so now moon. What are the things that you can see in the
I don't see
beach?
anymore.
You cannot see anymore?
It
What
no,
what is this? This one. This
it's the
is
sun.
okay, very good. It's the sun. How about this one? What
Right, left, right, the hay.
wow, moon is reading. Very good.
Right,
Okay,
right. This the way.
what is the way?
I go away.
Oh, you go away?
What?
Oh,
Say, make it. What?
wow. Whoop.
Play in the hay.
Wow, very good. Good job.
Can
Good job.
make it.
Mm. Wow, what animal is that? What animal is
It's
that? At the book.
it's
In,
animal.
in your book. In your book. At the back of your book.
You have a
Yes.
book.
What animal is that? That is a dog. Look at the back of your book. Look at the back. There, oh, the dog. Okay, okay. So now let's proceed to our lesson. So now, moon. Oh, where are you, moon? Where is moon, 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 moon?
Here
Oh, I can see you now. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are
is
you?
the eraser fish.
What is that? Eraser? Oh, erase.
Eraser fish.
Wow, that's so cute. What color is that? Is that color red,
It's color pink
pink,
and red
and
and white and yellow.
wow? Do you use that at
It,
school?
it's an eraser cat.
Wow, meow. What color is that cat? What color?
It's pink and yellow
Yellow.
and purple and black.
Wow, that's so nice. That's a very beautiful eraser. Teacher eraser is only this. Look at my pencil. This is my only eraser. And
Yes.
it do you have a pencil that has an eraser? We have? Oh, where is your pencil? Where is your pencil? Pencil, pencil, pencil. Where is your pencil? Hmm, where? Where? Pear.
Yeah.
Oh, oh, is that a pencil? Why is it so small? Why is your pencil so small? What happened to your pencil? What happened to your pencil? Oh no. What happened? It got broke or it got destroyed? What happened? It's so tiny, but it's so cute. Is it yours or is it your brother's? Is it yours?
Oh no.
Oh, it's yours?
Did you erase her? Oh,
Eraser. Oh,
did you have an eraser?
yes, only this. This is my eraser. Ting, above my pencil.
Have
Oh, yes, that's an eraser. Wow, your pencil is so tiny. Is that a pencil or a crayon? Oh no, why is the pencil so tiny?
yeah.
Oh yeah, that's so cute. What happened to that pencil? What happened to that pencil? Oh no.
So,
Oh, pencil, very good. Pencil, how about this one? What is this? Is this a pencil also? Is this a pencil? No, no, no. What is this? It's a. This
is
is
a
a.
pencil?
Oh, yes. Oh, is it a pencil or is it a pen? It's a pen?
No. It
What?
zip pen, zip pencil.
Oh, yes, very good. Pen and pencil, like teacher. Pen?
Where a pencil? Oh,
Okay. That's so cute. That's a cute pen. Okay, so now let's go back to our lesson, Moon. So now, can you tell teacher, do you still remember what do we call this castle that we can see in the beach? We call it as
we
sand
call it sand.
castle. Okay, one more time. Let's say sand castle, sand castle, sand castle. Sand castle, sand castle, sand. Okay, very good.
Sand.
Very good. So this is a sand castle. So this is what we can see in the beach, or we can build a sand castle on the beach because we use sand to
I
build.
like sand castle.
Yes. Oh, do you know how to build a sand castle when you go to the beach? Do you build a sand
Yes.
castle? Yes, very good. You're so creative. So,
Should
what?
I don't go to the beach?
Oh,
It was
oh,
sunny. If go to the beach.
wow. So, make sure to build a sand castle, okay? When you go to the beach. Okay, so this is what you can see in the beach. We can see sand, we can see the water or the sea, and we can see the sun. Okay, so next, let's move on. Okay, look at the picture, Moon. What is this? Hmm,
It's the
it's the,
mm, it's the
we call it a swimsuit.
swimsuit.
Okay, very good. One more time. What is this, Moon? This is a.
The swimsuit.
Okay, very good. So when we say swimsuit, yes,
It's
so
just going.
oh, pew. Okay, Moon. So when we say swimsuit, it is what we wear. It is what we wear in the beach. Especially if we want to swim, we should wear a swimsuit because swimsuit is helpful, especially if you want to swim, swim, swim. So we need to wear swimsuit. Now, can you tell teacher what can you see in this swimsuit, Moon? What can you see in this swimsuit? What are the things that you can see? Hmm,
It's 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 flower.
flower, very good. What colors the flower?
It's purple
Purple
and
and yellow. Very good. And
yellow.
okay. Now, Moon, what do you have a swimsuit? Do you have a
Yes,
swimsuit? Yes, wow, very good. And what color is your swimsuit?
it's white
It's
and
white.
and and, and something swimsuit is seahorse.
Oh, seahorse? There's a seahorse in your swimsuit? There's there's a swimsuit. There's a swimsuit. There's a seahorse in your swimsuit? Wow, that's a very, very nice swimsuit. Do you like to swim?
Yes, I like
Yes.
to swim.
Yes. And do you wear swimsuit when you swim?
Yes,
Yes, wow, that's nice. So we need to wear a swimsuit, especially when we go swimming. So next, let's move on to, okay, this one, Moon. What is this? What is this?
it's it's a ball.
It's a ball. Very good. What kind of ball is this? This one is what we call the beach ball. Beach ball.
Beach ball.
Okay, very good. So when we say beach ball, it is the ball that we play in the beach or at the beach. Okay. So when you go to the beach, Moon, do you play ball or beach ball with your brother? Wh-
That's good.
When you go to the beach, do you play ball with your brother or do you play with your brother? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Yes. What kind of games you play with your brother? What kind of games? Do you play a beach ball with your brother?
No,
I know. No,
it's
no, no. What do you play?
it's
What do
the
you like?
easy.
What do you play?
I, I play I
You,
play
what,
sun
what do you play?
castle. I
Oh,
play
son.
sun castle.
Wow, very good. So I
Castle.
play with brother. Wow, very good. That's so nice that you play or build. I instead of saying play, we should say I built sandcastle with my brother. So very good. So that's nice. So very good, Moon. So again, this ball is a beach ball. And where do we usually play this ball? We play this ball at the beach. Okay, so we play this ball at the beach. Okay, so next, let's move on to our oh, your tiny little, what do you call that? Your tiny little pencil. Okay, so now let's move on to the next thing that we can see in the summer. What is this, Moon? What is this? Is this a toy? Hmm. What is this? What is this? What is this? It's flowers. Flowers,
Flower.
flower. Okay, very good. One more time. What is this, Moon? What is this? It's flowers.
Flower.
Okay, perfect. So now, what kind of flowers do you see in the picture? What colors are the flowers that you can see in
It
the picture? What
mm,
color?
mm,
What color? What color is this flower?
this
What color? Is it color blue? Is it a blue flower?
no, it isn't.
Okay, what color is it?
It's a flower.
Okay, what color is the flower? Is it color blue?
It's a flower. It's a color. Mm,
What color? It's
a
color
color.
color? What color?
Color. Color.
Yellow. Yellow
Yes.
and
And
what color is this?
brown.
Brown. Very good. So this yellow colored flower, we call
Have
this
a
flower a sunflower.
teacher. Have
Yes.
a
What?
flower.
Oh, I have a flower. Yes.
Teacher
Y-
have a flower.
Yes, I have a flower.
Teacher. I see the flower, teacher.
Yes, this one. Let me just get this. Ching, ching,
Teacher.
flower. So it looks like what we have in the picture.
I have a flower.
Oh, can I see your flower? Where is your flower? Where? Where is your flower? Flower, flower, flower. Where? Where? Where is your flower? Flower, flower. Where is your flower? Oh, can I see? Can I see your flower? Where is your flower? I cannot see your flower. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it?
Teacher.
Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Yesy, 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 yesy. Where is your flower? Where, where is your flower? Where is moon? Oh no, I cannot see moon. Where are you? You. Hello? Hello, moon. You're still there? Where are
Yeah.
you? No, where is your flower? Oh, you don't have a flower? Oh, wow, that's very cute. It's your flower clip. What color is your flower? What color is your flower?
I have this.
Oh, wow. Oh, it has a smiley face on it. It has a smiley face. Wow, that's so cute.
Teacher. Teacher
Yeah.
have a two. I have a two flower.
I also have a two flower. Tin, tin. I have two flowers. Okay, so now moon. So look at this flower, this one. We call this sunflower. Sunflower, sunflower. This is a sunflower. Oh, where are you going? Where are you going? Where? Oh, oh, you're bunny. You're black bunny. So
No,
cute, so cute.
be free.
Oh, it's what? It's f- uh,
If baby free.
baby free. Baby free. Oh, hello, baby Free. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you, baby Free. Nice to meet you. Is a baby Free a rabbit or a bunny? Ah,
And
oh,
the
a,
dentist.
a dinosaur. A purple dinosaur. Wow, that's very cute. You have a purple dinosaur. Okay. So
I
now,
haven't heard.
what do you have? What do you have?
Yes, yes,
Yes.
it is.
Yes, it is. Okay. Moon, do you like flowers? So cute. Do you like flowers? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, very good. How about what color is the flower what color is your favorite flower? What color? What color? Tini. It's it's so cute. Oh, is it a rabbit? A bunny? A bunny glasses? A pink bunny glasses? What is your favorite flower, Moon? What is your favorite flower? Hmm. What is your favorite? What is your favorite flower? Hmm?
Is
What is your favorite flower? What is your favorite flower? Do you like rose?
Chine,
Tini. What is your favorite
chine,
flower? What is your favorite flower?
chine,
Oh,
chine.
Tini. Your flowers. Is that your favorite flower? Is that your favorite flower? Yes, yes, yes. No, no, no. Yes, no. Yes, it's so
I
cute. Okay, so these are the flowers. And for our last one, moon. What is this? What is this, moon? This is what we call the garden. The garden, the garden, the garden. How much?
go to the garden.
Yes. Do you like garden? Or do you like to go to the garden?
Yes.
Okay, so when we say garden moon, so this is what where we can see flowers, we can see vegetables, we can see a lot of
Did you have a flower?
plants. Yes, I have a
I
flower. Chin. Okay, so
chine.
chini. Okay, so the things that we can see in the garden are flowers,
Chine.
plants. Oh, wow, that's a new flower. Wow, that's so cute. Cute, 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 cute. Tinin.
Did you
Okay,
have
so
a flower?
yes, I have teacher has a flower. Okay,
Oh,
now,
I can
oh,
see.
hmm, what are the colors that you can see in the garden
It,
moon?
it's a pink and red.
Wow, it's pink and red. How about in the
The heart.
picture? Let's oh, let's look at the picture moon. What are the colors of the flowers? What colors
Teacher,
are
it's a, it it hurt on the the flower.
the flower? Yes. What
Is
is
it?
it?
It's
It's a what happens to the flower?
chine, chine.
Okay. Okay, so moon, this is the garden. And for the last one, the summer. So summer is the season when it is very, very hot. So it is nice to go to the beach, especially when it is
Don't
summer.
understand.
What is that? Oh, oh, is that a book? What
No.
what is that? Can I see? Wow.
Dress.
Oh,
Red
it's
dress.
it's letters. Wow, that's very nice. Okay, so as much as I want to see all of
What
those,
color
oh,
is it?
it's color red. Oh, I can see red. Is teacher correct? Okay, so okay, Moon. So as much as I want to continue our lesson, so teacher has a class next. So for this one,
Teacher have a class.
yes,
Flat class.
I have a next class. That's why show that teacher next Thursday, okay?
Teacher have a flat class.
Yes, I have a class. So bye bye, Moon. See you again on Thursday. Show that to teacher, okay?
Bye
Good
bye, teacher.
bye bye. Goodbye and good night.